Today, we're diving into the world of luxury cuisine, where money is no object and only the most exquisite ingredients will do. Listen up, because we're about to explore a side of cooking that'll make your eyes water, and it's not just the onions this time. Get ready to discover the top 5 most expensive ingredients around the globe. These are the culinary superstars, the crème de la crème, the ingredients that chefs like me would sell their grandmother's best copper pots for. Stay tuned. You call yourself a foodie? Then you lot better know about Matsutake mushrooms. These aren't your average button mushrooms from the supermarket aisle, no sir. They're incredibly rare, found only in specific types of pine forests across Asia. And let me tell you, finding these mushrooms is like finding a bloody needle in a haystack. They're masters of disguise, hiding beneath the fallen leaves on the forest floor. But it's their flavor that's truly captivating. Earthy, spicy, a hint of pine. It's like bottling up the essence of the forest itself. And good luck trying to cultivate these beauties. Matsutakes only grow in the wild, in a symbiotic relationship with the tree roots. You can't just plant them and watch them sprout. No wonder they can fetch up to $2,000 per pound. Next up, we're talking white truffles. And I don't just mean any old truffle oil here. We're talking about the real deal, tuber magnatum pico, the white truffle from the Piedmont region of Italy. These babies are like the diamonds of the culinary world, highly prized for their intense aroma and pungent, earthy flavor. What makes them so special? Well, they're notoriously difficult to find, growing underground near the roots of oak, hazel, and beech trees. And you won't find these beauties with a metal detector. No, you need a trained truffle hound with a nose that could sniff out a penny in a dumpster fire to even stand a chance. All this effort, and the short season, is what drives the price tag sky high. We're talking upwards of $3,600 per pound. The spice more expensive than gold. You know what they say, a pinch of this, a dash of that. Well, when it comes to saffron, you'll be using a microscopic pinch because this spice is more expensive than gold. And for good reason. Saffron is harvested from the delicate crimson stigmas of the Crocus sativus flower, and each flower only produces a tiny amount. We're talking backbreaking work here. Each saffron thread has to be painstakingly handpicked, and you need about 75,000 flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron. 1 pound! It's no wonder it's nicknamed red gold. But that labor translates into a unique flavor. Floral, slightly sweet, with a distinctive earthy note. It's what gives dishes like paella and risotto Milanese their signature taste and that gorgeous golden hue. Expect to pay up to $5,000 per pound for the good stuff. Ayam Cemani. Ever heard of a chicken that's completely black? And I don't mean just its feathers. We're talking black bones, black meat, black organs, the whole bloody lot. Meet the Ayam Cemani, a rare breed of chicken from Indonesia. This bird is like the Lamborghini of poultry, shrouded in mystique and prized for its unique appearance. Legend has it that the Ayam Cemani possesses mystical powers, but let's be honest, the real magic is in its exclusivity. You see, breeding these birds is no walk in the park. The gene that causes their hyperpigmentation is a rare one, and that makes them highly sought after by collectors and, dare I say, those who appreciate a good bit of gothic poultry on their plate. Don't expect any change from $2,500 for a chick. That's one expensive chicken dinner. The king of sushi. Now this wouldn't be a list of expensive ingredients without mentioning the king of sushi itself, bluefin tuna. This fish is a culinary icon, prized for its rich, buttery flesh and melt-in-your-mouth texture. We're talking about the prized cuts of tuna, the otoro, the fatty belly, the stuff dreams are made of. But here's the catch. Overfishing has pushed bluefin tuna populations to the brink. The law of supply and demand, my friends, dictates that as bluefin becomes rarer, its price skyrockets. And I mean skyrockets. In 2019, a 600-pound bluefin tuna sold for over $3 million at a Tokyo fish market. That's right, millions. So there you have it, the top 5 most expensive ingredients in the world. From rare mushrooms to black-blooded chickens, we've explored the luxurious and often eyebrow-raising world of high-end cuisine. Would you ever splash out on any of these ingredients? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.